Hello my friends. Today explained about pen tools and text tools. Before lesson explained. Selection tools and direct selection tools. This is pen tools. That pen tools have different sub-tools such as add anchor point tools, delete anchor point tools, anchor point tools. This is text tools. It have different sub-tools such as area type tools, type on a path tools, vertical type tools, vertical area type tools, vertical type on a path tools, touch type tools. Now we can see how to use pen tools. Pen tools using can create custom shape using clicking like that. And also we can change shape, fill color and others like that. Now you can see add anchor point tools using how to add anchor point. Simply we can using pen tools add anchor point like that. Then we can adjust anchor point using direct selection tools like that. Now you can see how to remove anchor point using delete anchor point tools. Simply we can using pen tools remove anchor point like that. Other tools is anchor point tools using that tools change line shape like that. Simply using pen tools can adjust that shape change pressing Alt key and dragging. Anchor point tool's shortcut is Shift plus C. The pen tool can using draw arc shaped. For it mouse click and hold dragging like that then can make arc shape. Now you can learn how to use text tools. The text tools can add any kind of text to the worksheet like that. Then you can change font size and displacement among of two raw type that. Now you can see how to use area type tools. So it needs shape like that. Then can select path of shape like that. Then we can type in the shape like that. Then now you can see how to use type on a path tools. So it make path and select path, then we can type a path like that. Other tools is vertical type tools. Using this tools can type vertically like that. After that, learn about vertical area type tools. Using that tool, selected the path of shape and type vertically in a shape like that. Another tools is vertical type on a path tools. Using it can type a path and vertically like that. Final tool is touch type tools. Using this tools, change word individually, character size and shape, and rotate angle of character like that. Today lesson is over. Next Sunday we'll given another specials tools of Adobe Illustrator. Today lessons pen tools and text tools. Thank you watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching my video. If you learn something of watching my video, please like video and subscribe my channel.